How could ancient builders achieve what modern engineers still struggle to explain?
2,000 years ago, Rome built with materials that could heal themselves over time. Modern science found that Roman concrete could reseal cracks through chemical reaction with rainwater. In Egypt, granite was shaped with precision beyond explanation. Without steel, without lasers. The precision of the Great Pyramid aligns perfectly with true north, to within fractions of a degree. Across the ocean, Maya astronomers built observatories that tracked celestial cycles with cosmic accuracy. In the Andes, the Inca shaped stones so precisely that not even a blade could pass between them. How did they achieve such perfection, using only bronze and stone tools? Even with lasers and AI modeling, some ancient feats remain impossible to replicate. Across continents, ancient innovation wasn't luck, it was science, precision, and a different way of thinking. Before cranes, simple pulleys and leverage systems lifted stones weighing dozens of tons. Romans even built harbors beneath the sea, cement that hardened stronger underwater. Temples were tuned like instruments, built to amplify chants in perfect resonance. 4,000 years ago, the Indus Valley already mastered urban drainage and sanitation. Across Asia, wooden temples survived quakes through interlocking joints instead of rigid nails. Persian architects turned wind into air conditioning, centuries before electricity. With nothing but sightlines and shadows, ancient astronomers mapped the heavens in perfect cycles. Babylonian ziggurats doubled as observatories, linking architecture, religion, and astronomy.
Aqueducts used gravity alone to transport millions of gallons, engineered with millimeter precision.
Water power fueled ancient factories, turning rivers into silent engines of progress. Without telescopes, the Maya tracked Venus and eclipses with near-perfect precision. Centuries before Europe's compasses, Chinese scientists mapped magnetism through floating lodestones. In ancient Greece, steam-powered machines automated doors and fountains centuries before industry. Time itself was measured through flowing water and celestial rhythm, technology guided by the stars.
Damascus steel blades combined strength and flexibility, and modern metallurgy still strives to match.
Japan's wooden pagodas could sway through quakes. Their flexible core absorbed the shock perfectly. Rome's underfloor heating, an ancient form of radiant warmth, powered massive bathhouses effortlessly.
Some artifacts hint at electrochemical knowledge. Primitive batteries predating modern discovery.
Polished crystal lenses magnified and burned. Optical technology known long before telescopes.
From stone to steel, humanity built upon the innovations of the past.
Modern lasers revealed surface tolerances finer than 1/10 of a millimeter, crafted by hand. Side by side, modern machines leave gaps, while ancient masons achieved airtight precision. Its sides align to true north with precision modern compasses barely achieve. Under a microscope, Damascus steel reveals structures nanometers wide, centuries before nanotech.
Computer simulations struggle to replicate the balance achieved by ancient design.
When tested, ancient walls absorbed seismic waves, while modern designs crumbled.
Roman concrete, left underwater for years, becomes stronger. Modern concrete weakens instead.
Artificial intelligence decodes mechanisms our ancestors designed without modern computation.
Separated by millennia, both chase the same goal: understanding the science of perfection. The deeper we look, the clearer it becomes. Modern progress may just be rediscovery.
When the Library of Alexandria burned, centuries of engineering knowledge vanished with the flames.
Techniques once passed from master to apprentice were lost as empires fell.
In the Islamic Golden Age, lost knowledge resurfaced, translated, preserved, and reimagined.
By the Middle Ages, old techniques returned, reborn as cathedrals that scraped the sky.
In an age of rebirth, brilliant minds blended art and engineering to shape the future of innovation. Renaissance builders adapted old geometry to design ships that conquered the globe.
Each discovery rewrote history, reminding us that progress often begins with rediscovery.
Modern satellites now map cities that ancient minds designed by hand and star.
Today's labs still chase formulas that the ancients perfected through patience and intuition.
The cycle repeats, knowledge lost, found, and lost again, yet always waiting for those who seek it.
Across the world, labs now confirm what ancient builders already knew instinctively.
Under microscopes, Roman concrete reveals self-healing mineral veins, regenerating through time.
Simulations prove ancient Persian wind catchers could cool entire homes by 10 degrees without electricity. Acoustic tests show ancient theaters transmitted sound so clearly, even a whisper reached thousands.
LiDAR scans uncovered vast Maya cities, roads, temples, and canals, invisible for centuries. Computer models confirm Inca polygonal masonry is one of history's most earthquake-resistant designs. Their aqueducts optimized water flow. No pumps, no motors, just gravity and geometry. Damascus steel's molecular pattern blends flexibility and strength unmatched by most modern alloys. Artificial intelligence brings ancient machines back to life, each rediscovery proving their mastery. Each rediscovery humbles us, reminding that progress is not a straight line, but a circle of forgotten genius. What the ancients built wasn't only for survival, it was their dialogue with the universe. Their architecture followed the rhythm of stars, a reminder that science began with wonder. To them, technology was sacred, an extension of nature, not a weapon against it. In water, wind, and stone, they saw energy as life itself, not something to be conquered.
They built not for wealth, but for harmony, bridging earth and sky through geometry. Much of their knowledge is gone, but their message remains, carved in the silence of ruins.
Nature reclaims what humanity forgets, but never destroys wisdom, only hides it. Every civilization leaves fingerprints on the planet, but only a few leave wisdom behind.
Even our machines now study them, searching for logic in the language of intuition.
Perhaps the greatest secret the ancients left us is not how they built, but why they did.
Our cities still mirror the symmetry and proportion first mastered by ancient minds. From pyramids to skyscrapers, the golden ratio still defines beauty and stability.
Modern infrastructure borrows from ancient mastery. Arches, balance, and proportion reborn in steel.
Sustainable architecture revives what ancient builders already knew: design in harmony with the earth. Academia now studies the ancients not as myths, but as engineers, scientists, and philosophers. Today's engineers preserve what ancient engineers built, to learn, not to surpass.
The legacy of the ancients lives on, in culture, rhythm, and the way we celebrate life itself.
Across the oceans, we still follow the same stars that once guided ancient navigators.
From stone to silicon, humanity evolves, but the blueprints of genius remain the same.
What they began long ago still shapes the way we learn, create, and explore today.
From space, every ruin, Every city and every road becomes one single blueprint, human ingenuity, eternal.
Separated by millennia, their hands complete the same design, one with stone, one with light.
Across ages, the energy of creation flows the same. It only changes hands. Even the silent stones seem to whisper, "Remember who built you, and why."
Beneath the oceans, cities sleep, but their genius waits patiently for rediscovery. Civilizations rise, fall, and rise again, but knowledge never truly dies. It only sleeps.
We are not the peak of progress, only the latest chapter in an ancient story still being written.
From the stars, the past and future blur. Our ancestors built the map we still follow.
Every generation builds upon the last. What will we leave for those who follow?
If the ancients could build wonders that still defy us, what'll stopping us from rediscovering that greatness today?